guys, I'm so excited to unbox our Pampered Chef new Deluxe cooking blender coming to you guys September 1st. First of all, I love the box. We've never had like a printed box full of colors. Looks like you can do smoothies with it, you can make jam, nut butter, lots of soups, and it actually heats as well. So you can cook, and it's got lots of features featured around the box. You can make milkshakes, frozen drinks, ice cream, or frozen fruit. So let's unbox it. Let's see what it looks like when you get this fabulous blender from Pampered Chef coming to you September 1st. Oh, I love this. What does it say? Say hello to a new way of cooking. Oh, that's French. I'll keep it. All right, getting started with your Deluxe blender. This guy will help you get to know your blender with recipes to get you started, because we're gonna need that because I probably don't know how to use it. Looks like a little cleaning brush to clean it. I don't know, noise reducing motor plug replacement. Here's the little, I don't know what it's called, but the little get it down, like a plunger, maybe it's called. This thing, you know, I don't know. All right, ooh, this is quite big, guys, and definitely sturdy. This is definitely not cheap, that's for sure. All right, and then we got the base right here. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my God. All right. Oh, this is heavy. All right, let's just throw all this on the ground. Here is our new Deluxe cooking blender. I'm so excited. All right. So, wow. Looks nice. Looks classy. It's got a little. All right, so I have no idea. Open this way. All right, so, oh wow. You know, like a normal blender has like 2 little blades? This has like 3, and one of them is serrated. Oh, this is like smooth feeling too. So, really big. This is nice and glass, and it's got, caution hot. Hot, what you're adding for hot, cold soups, and liquids and measurements. Let's see if this is like a normal blender. I have no idea how to get this on. Aha, all right, looks like it just sits right on there. And then this might be just like the different filler that you put on. So pretty cool. So it looks like it comes obviously with a lid, some kind of insert. We're gonna have to figure it out. Just check future videos. A little cleaning brush to clean it, and you need to push your stuff down. And let's check out some of the recipes that come with it, because I can't wait to get started and get familiar with it. So let's see. All right, so we got some how to set it up, get to know your blender, set it up, how to wash it. So because this heats up, you can actually wash it right in here. You don't have to dirty anything else. Blend and cook. And then it has a recipe for sweet potato soup and strawberry banana smoothie. So yeah, I'm so excited. Stay tuned for future videos of me using this new Pampered Chef Deluxe cooking blender.